Hey guys, it's time to do a journey to infinity speed test comparison between the Galaxy Note 2 versus the Note 3 versus the Note 4, Note FE/Note 7, God bless you, and the granddaddy of them all, Galaxy Note 8. We're gonna boot up all these phones at once to see the boot up time and see how far we have come as far as the speed and everything goes. Alright, so 3, 2, 1, go. Okay. See, and obviously Note 8 will be the winner. Spoilers. Let's see, Galaxy Note 8, Note FE, then Note 5, and then we have the Note 3, Note 4. Okay, and of course at the end we have the Note 2. So the Note 8 has this Android starting part where it, slows down, but technically it was the fastest one. After that, we had the Note FE, and the Note 2 is super slow. Wow guys, I have to say this brings back a lot of memories. The origin of the Note phone was a genius decision, and over the years it has changed a lot from being a cheap plastic phone to a super duper premium phone that we have right now. The Note 2 was plasticky phone, and a lot of people hate it because of its design and everything compared to Apple's iPhone, which were premium from the start. With the Note 3, Samsung sort of listened to their customer. They added a plasticky fake leather finish to the Note 3, but still it wasn't the best. With the Note 4, they finally listened to their customer for real. It has this aluminum side, making it super premium, as well as this nice rubbery feeling of the plastic. The Note 4 was also the first Note phone to have Quad HD display, so a lot of people consider this as the best Note phone. It has this IR blaster, micro SD card, a lot of great stuff. For me, the main big changing, or like the big step in the Note series, was with the Galaxy Note 5, and Samsung really adopted the premium design and introduced this beautiful glass and metal combination that continued over the years to future Samsung flagships. The Note 8, the Note FE, they all are somewhat based on the Note 5. So personally for me, the Note 5 was the best Note phone of all time. It's also the Note phone that spent the largest time. I mean, of course, the Note 7, it died, so people had to use the Note 5 for some time. And then of course, we have the Samsung Galaxy Note 7 or Note FE. It's a special edition phone. It has a special place in our hearts. I absolutely love it. It's super premium, and Samsung further improved their design. They added this curved edge, and this was the only variant that they released, so there was no Note Edge or anything like that. They combined the flat and edge screen in a way that where we don't really have to have the two different phones, so it's all packed in just one phone. And of course, with the Galaxy Note 8, we have this beautiful infinity display. According to DisplayMate, this is the best display on a smartphone right now. OLED, Quad HD, and it's super duper premium. The best thing about the Galaxy Note series is that they are the headliners. They are the true best stylus phone out there right now. There's nothing, I mean nothing, that can challenge the Note phones, Samsung Note phone, when it comes to stylus capabilities. If you are a fan of drawing, then I mean there is no better phone than the Galaxy Note. Let's see how the internal processor has improved as far as the numbers are concerned. So you can see I've launched Geekbench application on all these phones. Of course, the Geekbench 4 is for the latest models, and Geekbench 3 is for the models who are old. So you can see that over the years, Samsung has improved their phones a lot. You have 2 gigs of RAM with the Note 2. In the start, the Note phones were actually faster and more powerful than the S series. It is still true. It is now being true in 2017 because the Note 7, or I mean the Note 8, is actually having 6 gigs of RAM, which is something that you don't see on the Galaxy S8 Plus. At least in the worldwide, international model, there is a Chinese model that has 6 gigs of RAM, but you can see with the Note 2 we had the Exynos 4 series processor. Then Samsung switched to Qualcomm Snapdragon 800, which was a really good processor back in the days. Then Snapdragon 805, of course, there was a Exynos variant of this phone as well. Then of course Exynos 7420, Exynos 8890 and 8895. Now, let's run the benchmark and see how much of a difference and how much of an improvement in performance we got with each Note iteration. So I'm just going to quickly run benchmarks, and I'll be back once they are done. And we are done. So here are the benchmark results. So you can see the Note 2 has really bad scores. I mean, for today's standards, look at that, 500 single core and 1500 multi-core. Compared to the Note 3, there was a jump, like we have almost twice the score coming at 3000 and a bit of improvement in the single core as well. But the difference between the Note 4 and the Note 3 doesn't seem to be that much. It's just barely an upgrade. Then with the Samsung Galaxy Note 5, we have a big jump to 4000 and 1442 in single core, and then an even bigger jump with the Galaxy Note FE, near 6000 score and 1939 single core. And now with the Note 8, we have the highest benchmark score that we have on current Android phones. So it scores 6725, really close to 7000 mark, and 2022 single core. So over the years, you can see the single core score hasn't improved that much. I mean, we've only gone from 500 to max 2000, whereas the iPhone 7 Plus, for example, is already close to 4000 in single core. Like, it scores 3600 something, and soon with the iPhone 8 it will cross 4500 something, that's for sure. But you can see, for some reason, whether it's Exynos processor or it's a Qualcomm processor, we never seem to cross much in the single core department. I would definitely love to see some single core improvements as well. So overall, Note series is really special. They have a really special place in the market. Like I said, there's nothing out there that can challenge the Note series as of now. So again, if you want the best stylus phone, then go with the Galaxy Note 8, or you can spend less with the Note FE, or even the Note 5 could be a really good cheap option to try out the stylus function. So, but still, the Note 8 is the best that Samsung offers right now, and we have come a long way to reach this beautiful phone. From now on, the display will be like this, and it's going to be further improved. I just can't wait to see what Samsung has stored for us, what secrets they have for their upcoming phones. So yeah, that was a full comparison of the Note series as well as a speed test journey from a cheap plastic phone to infinity. I hope you guys have enjoyed this video, and I will see you guys in the next one. Peace out.